Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn this very beautiful, quick and easy crochet pattern which you can use in your handbags, in your tops, or simply you can make a placemat of it, or it can be used as an motifs, or you can make a placemat of this by joining the motifs or handbags. So let's not waste any time and let's get going. Alright, for this project I'm taking simply soft cotton yarn of white color. You can take any color of your choice, and a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm. So let's start making this beautiful pattern. For this I'm gonna make a chain of 31, base chain of 31. But whenever you do your project, any project, as in if you're making a top or you're making a handbag or a lace, so you always have to consider a multiple of 18, 1 8 18. But just that I have to show you this pattern, I am making a chain of 31. So I'm done with chain of 31, and now from fourth chain of the hook, 1 2 3 and this 1/4, I'm gonna make my double crochet here, one double crochet. But these three chains would count as first double crochet, this is the second double crochet, and likewise we have to make 13 double crochet in all in a row. 1 2 3 4 5, likewise complete 13. I'm done with my 13 double crochet, and I'm going to make one chain and leave two base chain, 1 and 2, and in the third chain I'll make one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet in the same stitch. Again I'll take one chain and leaving two chain base chain, I'll make 13 double crochet. 1 2 3 4, I'm gonna make 13 double crochet till the end. So my row 1 is completed, and now I'm going to make a three chain up. I'll turn my work and I'll make these three chains would count as one double crochet. I'm gonna make more 5 double crochets, so total 6 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now I'll make 2 chains and I'll leave this one double crochet from row 1, and I'll start making a set of another 6 double crochet from this next double crochet, like this. 2 chains, leaving one double crochet from row 1, and start making 6 double crochet in a row. 1 2 3 3 4 5 and 6. Again we will make chain of 1 and a V-stitch in a V-stitch from previous round, from row 1. So one double crochet inside this one chain gap, one chain, one double crochet, and again one chain. same we will follow here. 5 double crochet on 5 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, sorry, 6 double crochet we have to make. 6. Then we will going to make chain of 2 and we will leave 1 double crochet from previous round from row 1 and make double crochet on double crochet 6 double crochet from the next double crochet. 1, 2. I'm going to make this last double crochet on the chain 3, third chain which we have taken, the turning chain which we have taken here. So I'm making my last double crochet here. Okay, so my 2 rows are completed. So far it looks like this. I'm going to turn by taking chain 3. These 3 chains would count as 1 double crochet. I'm going to make 4 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I'll make 3 more double crochet so that we will have total of 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are on third round. 4 double crochet. I will leave this double crochet and this double crochet, and I'll take chain 2 and make a single crochet in this 1 chain gap. Okay, 2 chain gap, 1 single crochet. Again I'll take chain 2 and I'll leave this double crochet and this double crochet on third double crochet. I'll start making 4 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. Chain 1 and V stitch in V stitch, means this 1 chain gap we will make V stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 more double crochet in the same 1 chain gap or V stitch you can say. Again take chain 1 and 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like we left these 2 here and these 2 here, likewise we have to do here also. Chain 2, leave these 2 double crochet from row 2 and make a single crochet in the chain 2 gap. Again 2 chain up and leave first 2 double crochet here and make 4 double crochet till end. 1, 2, 3 and here on the third chain we will make chain of 1 double crochet. So far our pattern looks like this. For row 4 I'm gonna make 3 chain up, 1, 2, 3, and I'll turn my work. These 3 chains would count as 1 double crochet. I'll make 1 more double crochet and then I'll make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I will leave these 2 double crochet from row 3 and directly I'll do a single crochet in this gap here, chain 2 gap. I'll make a single crochet here. Then I'll make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Oops, 1, 2, 3, and I'll make a single crochet in this gap. Now I'll make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now I will leave first 2 double crochet here, like we have left 2 double crochet here. We will leave 2 double crochet here of row 3, and I'll directly make 2 double crochet in the last 2 double crochets. So this is 1, this is 2. Chain 1, again same procedure, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in this, 1 chain, gap or V stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, again chain 1. Now I will make 2 double crochet on the first 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Now I will follow the same thing. I'll make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. In this chain 2 gap, I'll make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I'll make another single crochet in this chain 2 gap, and now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I will leave first 2 double crochet and make 2 double crochet in the last 2 double crochet from from row 3. 1 and 2. So far my work looks like this. Now for row 5, I'm going to make a turning chain of 3, which would count as 1 double crochet. I'll turn my work, make a double crochet over this double crochet from row 4. Now I'll make 2 more double crochet inside this chain 3 gap, 1 and 2. Now I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm going to do a single crochet here in this chain 3, the middle chain 3 gap, single crochet. Again I'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now in this chain 3 gap I'll make 2 double crochet, 1, 2 and I'll make 2 double crochet over 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, total of 4 double crochet like this. And similar way, 1 chain, and in 1 chain gap here or a V, we will make a V, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, again 1 chain, and on top of these 2 double crochet we will make 2 double crochet from previous round, from round 4, 1, 2, and in the gap of first 3 chain we will make 2 more double crochet, so total of 4 double crochet, 1, 2, so 2 here and 2 here, total 4 double crochet. Again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm going to make a single crochet in this chain 3 gap and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and again in these chain 3 gap I'll make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and on double crochet I'll make last 2 double crochet like 3 and 4, this way. So our round 5 is completed and our work looks like this so far. For round 7, we will make 3 chain up, which will count as 1 double crochet, turn our work and make, first we will make 4 double crochet here on double crochets from previous round. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will make 2 more double crochet in the gap of this chain 3. So total of 6 double crochet, 1 and 2. So we have 6 double crochet now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will make 1 chain, and similar way we will make 2 double crochet in these chain 3 gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here 6 and here 6 with the gap of 1 chain here, and now similar way 1 chain, a V in a V, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. And similarly we have to follow this side as well. 4 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the chain of 3, in a gap of chain 3, 1 chain stitch, 2 double crochet in another gap of chain 3 and 4 double crochet. I'll see you at the end of the row. Okay, after row 6 our work look like this, and now I'm going to make last row of this stitch, which is very easy. Turning chain 3, turn the work, and now here we have to make 13 double crochet like we have done in the starting row 1, 13 double crochet, V in a V and 13 double crochet. Here we have to make 6 double crochet, 1 double crochet in this chain 1 gap and 6, so total 13, V in a V, and again 6 here, 1 double crochet in a gap of 1 chain and 6 double crochet, total of 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here in chain 1 gap we will make 1 more, 7 and 6 more, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Here then 1 chain, V in a V, 1 chain and 13 double crochet here likewise. So after 7 rows our work look like this. Now from here onwards what you have to do is you have to repeat row 2 till row 7, row 2, row 7. Whatever you make handbags, you make baby frocks, you make mat, anything you make, just remember that you have to take multiple of 18 stitches and you have to repeat row 2 till row 7. I'll make one more set of row 7 and I'm gonna meet you then. So my 2 sets are completed here, and you guys also go ahead and try out this simple and beautiful crochet pattern. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. Bye bye.